I am sister struggling right now. James Charles, come help me. What's up, you guys? Today I am going to be doing a get concert ready with me, I guess. I'm going to go see Chase Atlantic. Not today. I'm actually not going today. I'm actually going on Saturday. I don't know when this video is going to be uploaded. Either I've already went or I am going this weekend. I don't know. But yeah, I just thought I would film this early and just do like my whole makeup look, my hair, and my outfit now, because I feel like doing it before the concert is just a little chaotic because the concert is in LA and that's 2 hours away. So also I already did my foundation and my eyebrows and everything because I feel like it's just very repetitive when I just keep doing the same thing in every makeup video I do. Like, you guys know what I use. If you don't know what I use, if this is the first video you're watching of mine, for foundation I use CoverGirl Healthy Elixir foundation, and then eyebrows I just use NYX. Again, I don't really use any like high-end beauty products. Today I'm going to be using the Yes Please palette. I use this palette a lot, if you can tell. I think I'm going to be doing like a yellow kind of toned look, I guess, like, or a warm tone, I guess, not yellow. Also, we're gonna kind of do like a cut crease thing. I've never done a cut crease, so this should be interesting. Don't judge me. Let's just get started. So on Pinterest, I saw a girl who did kind of like pinkish like red tones and orange tones, like for her like outer crease. Her I don't know, you'll see what I do. But yeah, we're gonna kind of try to reenact that look, I guess. I feel like I always do like the same tones on my eye for every video. But like, I'm pretty sure I've done this exact makeup tutorial minus the cut crease. Oh my god, it's not doing what I want it to do. James Charles, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. Okay, we're trying to work with angles right now. And now you can see all my dirty laundry. Anyways, this is what I did. Just kind of like to start off the look. Oh my god, I'm not showing you guys the colors. Okay, so right now I'm going to put this in my outer crease, outer corner, I don't know what it's called, just like the outside of my eyelid. I pretty much, I don't know if I do this right, but I just kind of like put it on my lid, and then I just kind of like take another brush and blend it out. I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do, but I do it anyways, so. It doesn't look any different. Okay, so this is what I did. I just kind of made it darker. We're gonna go a little bit darker. We are going, this palette is so dirty, I'm so sorry. But I'm going to be going in with this like reddish color, I guess. Just kind of pat it in there, and hope it turns out okay. so this is what we got going right now. Don't know how I feel. We're just gonna deal with it. So now is the part that's gonna ruin this whole look. But we're gonna do it anyways. See, I'm glad I'm trying this now instead of when the actual concert is, because I can see if it looks okay or not. So we're gonna try our best. I don't promise you it's gonna turn out great, but you know what, we're not here for perfection. So I'm just gonna like cut like right here, like in my inner corner. I'm trying so hard. This eye did not do so good. We're gonna fix it though. Okay, so I just put concealer. I feel like it's not even, but that's okay. So now I'm going to put yellow on the inner corner. I don't know what anything's called, so bear with me. So I haven't blended it out yet, but this is what I'm working with. So I just got everything blended out. This is the final eyeshadow look. Okay, so I just finished with the eyeshadow, and now I'm going to put this gold color on the inner corners of my eye. Okay, so that completes my eyeshadow look, and now I'm gonna do mascara using the telescopic L'Oreal mascara. I'm running out of this, so it's not gonna do that much justice for my eyelashes, but we'll work with it. Okay, so my mascara is done. I don't really use fake eyelashes because 1, I'm not good at putting them on, 2, they get annoying all the time, and also I feel like I don't need them. I do just fine without them, so yeah. Okay, so now I'm just gonna bronze my face. That difference though. So for lipstick, I'm going to be using Milani in the shade Loved, or 12, whatever. is the final makeup look. I tried my best with the cut crease. I don't really know if it's like an actual cut crease or what, but I tried my best. So yeah, I hope you guys like this makeup look. Next, I'm going to be doing my hair with the Bedhead Wave Artist. I'm going to do it off camera though. I think it's pretty straightforward. It's just crimping your hair, I don't know. So yeah, I'll be back with that. What's up? So my hair is done. It's very poofy right now. Also, I don't have hairspray, so this is probably gonna go down in like 2 seconds. The bottom where I started is already like fading, but yeah, I haven't done my hair like this in so long. I haven't really done anything with my hair in a while, so, but yeah. See, my bangs are freaking crazy. Okay, so these jeans are from Charlotte Russe, and it has a little, my tank top is from Forever 21, and this jacket I got in a little store called Dream Girls, I think. It's just a store in San Diego. I don't think they have any other locations. You might be able to get it online, but yeah. Also, I think I'm going to be posting this after the concert, just so I can put any videos that I took up on this video so you guys can see. If you guys like Chase Atlantic, then it's just a bonus for you. If you don't know who they are, go listen to them, or you'll listen to them in the videos that I post in this video. But anyways, here's my experience seeing them live. I'm gonna go now, so enjoy these clips and I'll see you in the next video.